In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and manage social media links through the Wix web platform. Websites often serve as the central hub for digital presence. Therefore, effectively incorporating social media links is crucial for engaging with your audience across various channels. Fortunately, Wix makes this process accessible and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Wix setup interface by visiting manage.wix.com. This is your main dashboard where you'll be able to control and customize your website. If this is your first time here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout as it will make the process smoother. Once you're comfortable, let's move to the editing section where all the magic happens. Head over to the Wix editor by going to editor.wix.com. Here, you're presented with a visual layout of your website. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Add Elements. This section is vital because it's where you'll find all the additional components you can integrate into your website. Move your cursor to hover over the social category. This menu expands to reveal several options for embedding various social media links and buttons. From the list that appears, go ahead and click on YouTube. This option is especially prominent given the popularity of YouTube as a platform for sharing content and videos. If YouTube isn't applicable to you, note that you can follow these same steps for other social media channels available in the list. Once you've selected YouTube, an icon will appear on your page. Select this icon by clicking on it, and a menu will pop up with more options for customization. Click on Set Social Links to proceed. This is where you'll specify the exact URL that the YouTube icon will lead to. You'll notice a default YouTube link, often pre-filled by the Wix template. Select it to make changes. Now, it's time to enter your own YouTube channel URL. This lets visitors jump directly from your website to your channel with just one click. Once you've added your link, go ahead and highlight it to ensure it's accurate. This is a crucial step, as any error in the URL will direct users elsewhere, potentially causing confusion. After verifying your link, confirm everything by clicking Done. Then, it's important to click Done again to save these settings. You're almost finished. To ensure all your hard work is preserved, make one final click on Save. This encapsulates changes you've made and prepares your website for the new social media features you've integrated. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized your YouTube link on your Wix website. Hopefully following these instructions has been both clear and simple. Your website is now primed to direct visitors to your YouTube channel, enhancing connectivity and engagement. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online presence.